Oh, I know how we spot. 'Tis a place of great fame, and it lies to the north. Now I'll tell you its name. 'Tis my own native birthplace, and it's on Irish soil. Sure they call it lovely Derry on the banks of the Foyle. Now I quoted a wee girl, and her age was 19. She was the fairest colleen that you've ever seen. Her cheeks were like roses, and her hair waved in coil, and she came from lovely Derry on the banks of the Foyle. By those banks I have rolled in the sweet days gone by. With my dear girl I strolled, not a tear, not a sigh. Her fair charms without equal, from the north to the moor. Oh, sweet maid from lovely Derry on the banks of the Foyle. Now when I make a fortune, then to home I will go, to the dear land of my boyhood, to the sweet girl I know. I will build her a mansion, and no more need to toil, far away from lovely Derry on the banks of the Foyle. Far away from lovely Derry on the banks of the Foyle.